Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Sounds of Prairie game on your PC. So let's get started. First you have to open up your any browser and just search for the Steam. And guys, once you search for it, now you have to open up the first website of the steam.power.com. Now here click on the login option you are seeing on the top. And guys, once you click on that, now here you just need to sign into your account. And if you don't have an account, then just simply create one. After you created the account, click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. And here you just need to download the Steam and install it into your PC. And guys, this is very simple and easy process. Once you done that, now you open up the Steam and click on the top search box. Now guys, here just type the Songs of Prairie game and this game will appear on the top. So guys, you have to just click on this game, which is the Song of Prairie, and now here you just need to scroll down. Here you will see the Buy Prairie Life bundle, and this is the $17, and you can also buy the Song of Prairie games only. Here you can see you can download it for the $10. Click on the Add to Cart option, and now here guys, just click on the View My Cart option. Then it will going to appear the new page here. Click on the continue to payment option and now you are on the new page. Here you just need to pay with your PayPal or any other cards you have. And guys, once you pay the amount, click on the library option you are seeing on the top. And guys, now here on the left hand side you will find the game, which is the Song of Prairie. So you have to just click on that and simply click on the install. Then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video and I will see you guys in the next video.